Hey everybody, going to give you a little quick tutorial on filling out this test just to help with some of the answers so that way, when you input it incorrectly, it's not going to mark it wrong. Hopefully, at least. let's hope that it works well. You can see that there's some things in here like name a radius of the circle. So figure out what that radius would be, and then you're just going to type it in there, and you're going to use two letters. You're not going to put any spaces in between them or any commas or anything like that. Just put the two letters. Uppercase is great. Exactly how it's written there would be great there. How are the two radii of the circles related? That's just an essay question, so just type it in. Just whatever your thoughts are. It won't automatically grade it, so I'll have to go in there and grade that one by itself. When it comes to things like this where it says if a circle has a radius of 7 centimeters, so it has units in there, right? That means you're going to have to input the units. So if we look at number 4, you look at this little calculator button over here. When you click that, it pulls up these units here, okay? So if your answer is going to be 10, then you would type in 10, and then you would put in, like, if it's grams or kilometers, you would just click the button, okay? That's how you would do those answers there, okay? The circumference formula, when you're writing that one out, that's number 5. So you can type in here, whatever C stands for circumference, and then you can just hit the equals button. So C and then equals on your keyboard. When you write in things like pi, you don't need to use the symbol. I want you to just write the letters pi, just right next to each other, pi, just like that. That would be how you write out pi. And then also if you need to put like a multiplication symbol or an addition symbol or anything like that, the multiplication symbol is the key 8 on your keyboard. You hit shift, you hold shift and hit 8, and that'll give you a multiplication symbol. And it's going to look like a little dot on the screen. So if you just look up there, you can see a little dot. That's what that would look like. A plus symbol would be shift, and then the same thing where the equals button is. Anyway, that's what those look like. So that's how you're going to do that. So write out the circumference formula. Just pay attention to those. You just don't want to get something wrong for a silly mistake like that. So just do your best that you can, and don't worry about the score. If for some reason you get done with the test, you're like, I know I got that question right, but the score says I got it wrong. I will be reviewing every single question. I'm going to make sure that if it's just a little formatting thing or something like that, you will not be marked down for it. So don't be depressed if you see the score is lower than what it should be because you're like, I know the answer's right. Okay, I will go through and manually check it. This is just hopefully to try and help with the grading and maybe give some immediate feedback, okay? So anyway, do the best that you can. If you have any questions, ask. Don't forget to study beforehand. Make yourself some little notes and things like that. But I think you guys are going to do fine. So have a good time with it.